Excellence through expertise. ARES Machinery Company Limited has aggressively researched and developed high-quality products since our establishment in 1994. We always bear quality is priority as our vitality, full service as our holding energy in our minds. Over the years, ARES Seiki has obtained various global certifications and shown its fine products. Strict international standard quality control is in the process of every detail, so product quality is worthy of customers' trust. Focus on professionalism with innovation and development. Innovation is the main goal of ARES Seiki. In addition to continually improving existing models, our R&D team satisfies customers' demands according to different requests. From design to manufacturing, we listen to our customers' needs, communication, and discussion, with long-term accumulated experience and technology to enable customers to get various support from technology, design, solutions, and others. ARES Seiki is committed to providing customers high-quality products and comprehensive after-sales service to give customers the maximum benefit and create a win-win situation. Strict manufacturing processes and stable quality. For machine stability checks, we examine actively all our facilities in the manufacturing processes. The QA department guarantees the production with inspection and testing from precision instruments and carries out practical manufacturing tests on every machine, including spindle motor full load cutting, circle cutting, high-speed drilling threaded test, allowing every machine produced by ARES Seiki to match international examination standards. Our products: A-type high-speed with arm ATC tapping center, R-type high-speed with turret ATC tapping center, S-type with swing table tapping center, H-type horizontal drilling and tapping machine center, 5-axis drilling and tapping center series, etc., which are widely used in the communication industry, aerospace industry, vehicle industry, national defense industry, wind power generation, medical industry, semiconductor industry, mechanical parts, and mold industry. Excellent products have been successfully sold to various countries around the world. Now, ARES Seiki engages in direct contacts with customers to provide more rapid and convenient services through the participation of major international exhibitions in the US, Germany, Italy, Turkey, mainland China, Southeast Asia, and Taiwan. Looking to the future. Customers are our best partners. Your support allows us to grow strong. ARES Seiki Machinery Company Limited have been dedicated to globalizing with the belief of taking a worldwide view from Taiwan, creating better competitiveness, accomplishing our overall agreement worldwide. In the future, the company will be operated and grown at a stable pace, continuing to improve and innovate in order to provide an international brand with trusted services, trusted quality, trusted products, trusted technology, and professionalism.